this live event, bro.
Bro, this is real life live event.
6 more minutes.
We are 6
more
minutes
bro.
and 45 seconds from the loudest noise that you people will ever hear in your entire life.
Oh my God.
This noise will echo across space and time, and every single little boy around the world will probably go deaf.
Sam, I'm gonna declare like an emergency in my neighborhood. I'm just gonna play the speaker at full blast. I'm gonna record something. Everyone, the alert is now happening in 5 minutes. Everyone, the alert is now happening in 5 minutes. Everyone, the alert is now happening in 5 minutes. I repeat, the alert is happening in 5 minutes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The alert is now happening in 5 minutes. Everyone, the alert is now happening in 5 minutes. I repeat, the alert is Good luck.
It's almost time. I am now going to place the VR headset onto my head. I'm going to hold the speaker up to my microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the time is almost nigh. Prepare yourselves for the most epic moment in your entire life. All right.
2 more minutes. Now I'm putting my radios on
Ladies and gentlemen,
some pretty loud volume.
any moment now, it's coming!
Next swell northwest 2 to 4 feet at 12 seconds and south around 2 feet at 14 seconds. For Friday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots.
I cannot see anything.
Wind waves 3 to 4
I can't see anything, boys. What are you all saying in the chat?
3 feet at 12 seconds and south up to 2 feet.
Oh!
For Saturday, northwest winds rise 1 knots. West wind 3 to 4 feet.
Hear me? Hear all of them? So much talking, right? I'm putting no suppression. I can't really hear you. Right here.
2 minutes left.
Alright.
Test. It's going off.
2 minutes.
It's going off.
Donations for now.
It's going off.
This is a candid event. Make sure you say I was here in the chat.
It's happening.
So you can come back. This moment.
This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities at the federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial levels, and to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required by the public.
Wait, does it happen to PCs? Ah! Wow! This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities of the federal and territory levels to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action.
That wasn't as bad as I thought.
Ladies and gentlemen!
That was gonna be as loud as a gunshot.
No, that wasn't really that bad.
We did it, boys! We lived through the noise. That is so annoying. It's okay, boys. We did it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you survived, say I was here. We survived.
There's my TV.
An event.
My TV's going off.
Timer's done.
My TV's going off.
Look at that, boys.
What's going on my TV?
I thought it was gonna be a lot scarier than that, but
What's going on with TV right now?
we survived at
It
least.
just ended on my TV.
I didn't get one. You might not live in the U.S.
What's going on with TV?
I mean, at least it actually
FEMA has
happened.
deployed the
really
national.
did happen.
The radio's on. The radio just finished.
Wow.
I mean, it really happened. We survived. That was pretty lame. I will not lie.